Hello and welcome to another comparison video between East Perthshire Gaelic and Duolingo Gaelic. So this first sentence in East Perthshire Gaelic would probably be Ha fian gal ans nedalch. I imagine that it isn't too different from the standard.
Ans yn rioch ynysge.
Awn, on,
Rioch ynysge. Ans yn rioch ynysge.
This one would probably be a little different and would be something like ans yn riach ernich. As is often the case with East Perthshire Gaelic or other forms of mainland Gaelic, the final E is often dropped. So it wouldn't be ernichtje, but ernicht. Unfortunately, I don't have a lot of place names in my material, so I'm going to assume that this one is Hai ans an Elvish.
Chanil yn oster fasgyn yn rhaing. Chan. Il.
An,
Oster.
Fashk, Ir, An,
Rhaing. Chanil yn oster fasgyn yn rhaing.
East Perthshire Gaelic has a couple of words for near. For example, one that they used often was fagast. Chanel noster fagast rang. So in East Perthshire Gaelic they would say fashk ed, fagast ed, fagasta, and also nadi to mean near or sometimes beside. This one would probably be Vami gobber ans a horn.
Ha fian blaste ans yn edalch. Ounce.
An,
Edalch. Ha fian blaste ans yn edalch.
Maybe this one would be Ha fian blast ans nedalch. You'll notice that in East Perthshire Gaelic, the diphthong aun or ounce is said as ants. Often they would just extend the n sound. This one might be Veli grienach ans an durach. As always, we have that loss of the initial a from avel.
Han bieg rohe.
Ha,
Bieg.
Ro,
He. Han bieg rohe.
In East Perthshire pronunciation, it would probably be hambiro he.
Ha e ans yn yelivish.
I imagine in East Perthshire Gaelic it wouldn't be Elevish, but it would be probably Elvish.
Yelivish.
This is true for other words that have that sound in them. For example, the word doras is dors. This one wouldn't be too different. It would be in East Perthshire Gaelic and drochach vor. From memory, the pronunciation in standard would be more, but in East Perthshire Gaelic is more.
Ha mi ounce a horn.
Hami ans a horn.
Chanil elan vanin ounce yn rioch gynnyche.
Chanel and Ellen vanin ans an riach ernicht.
Chanil yn oster fasgyn yn rwsh.
Chanel en oster fageser en rush.
A vil snech ounce yn turk.
This one's a bit different and will probably be Vel snech ans an durch.
Han bieg rohe.
As before, hambir rohe. Okay, we're getting a little bit too much writing now, so I think I'm going to leave the episode there. I hope you've enjoyed it, and thank you for watching.